welcome back. And it's time to explore with us. Explore with the Wagners. Explore. Where my troops at? Where my troops at? Where my troops at? Where they at? There they go. Hey guys, welcome back to Explore with the Wagners. Guys, you might be wondering, what is going on? She's there, he's not there. Well guys, guess what? You are getting a personal get ready with Netta. That's me. I am part of Explore with the Wagners. Y'all, I am super excited just to come to you to show you how I get ready. Now, hey, some of the how-tos and the makeup, I mean, some of it may be, their way of doing it, but this is my way. So you're getting ready with me today. I am going to do my makeup today. So without further ado, don't forget to like and comment on this channel, okay? Don't forget to subscribe to Explore with the Wagners. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get started on today's video, y'all. I am super excited today's video because it's a little different from the norm. So I'm gonna show you just a few of the items that I am going to use today. All right, so I have a little moisturizer. You always want to keep your face moisturized. So, I'm going to go ahead and moisturize my face. All right. I mean, sometimes I put primer on if I'm going to go ahead and, want it to stay all day. Okay. If I want it to stay all day, I'll go ahead and put some primer on. Okay. But today I'm just going to do a little moisturizer. All right, so I'm just showing you guys how I do mine. Okay. So the next step I am going to do, but before I do that, I am super excited about my new brushes. These are my new brushes. Look how pretty those are. All right, I like these brushes because this one, they actually say what you're using them for. That is super cool. So this one is for glow. This one here is for the shadow. Okay, and this one is, it says for the crease of the shadow. And this one is the blush. And this one is for your lips. So I use this Revlon lipstick, and this is a stain. It's called Stain Ink Color Stay. This is an awesome lipstick, guys. If you would like for your lipstick to stay on all day, I recommend that, okay? So let's get into this video, all right? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put some foundation on. Have it on my little beauty blender. Okay, I just started putting it all over my face. Okay. You want to make sure you cover as much as you can on your face. I know for me, I have some blemishes. I have some dark spots. Go ahead and cover my blemishes and all of that good stuff. Now, the trick of this foundation is you want to make sure that you cover your foundation. You want to make sure you bring it down and where it's not stopping, like right there. You want to make sure you blend it down. Okay, I blend it like kind of down to my neck area. Okay, that's how I do mine. The reason why I say that's how I do mine, because you as we know, everybody do different things when they're using their, makeup techniques and different things of that nature. Okay? So my philosophy is no one is wrong. I mean, of course we know that there are proper ways to apply different product and all of that good stuff. But hey, I just do what works for me. All right, so you can go ahead and, put it in, make sure it's all smooth. And another trick, guys, if you have foundation on, before you put your foundation on, you could actually wet this. You can wet your sponge, and it will help you have better coverage. It'll make your foundation smoother. All right, this is just a basic get ready with me. The next step that I'm going to do is I am going to do my concealer. Okay, I'm gonna do my concealer. A little darkness under there. Okay, then I'm just gonna simply put a little bit over my eyebrows. This is just a real quick get ready with me. All right, so I'm doing that. All right, I'm gonna put some at the top, and then I'm gonna put one in the middle. Okay, then I'm also put some down here and right there. That's how I do it. Okay. All right, so next step is, voila. Y'all ready for the next step? Okay, so next step that I do is I just go ahead and actually I would already do this before. Okay, but this is just to brush my eyebrows to get them nice and neat. Okay, it's like you combing your hair. All right, you brush and comb your hair. All right, so this next step is I'm going to go ahead and blend again. I'm gonna blend. All right. You want to get under those eyes, okay, in case you have dark circles. Okay, I'm gonna go up to my eyebrows, and I'm using that part of the sponge. Okay, then I'm gonna do the other eye. Okay, this is a simple get ready with me, quick and on the go. So if you are rushing for an event, work, business, meeting, whatever you have, you can go ahead and get that started real quick. What I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna go over my eyebrows again, just to make sure they're laying down. All right. Okay. All right, so I think I need to blend on this side and on that side. All right, so I think that's gonna be it for now. All right, because we're doing this quick and fast. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little contour on my nose. Okay, so I'm gonna go in, and this is just a little contour that I do on my nose. All right, so the object of this is you definitely want to blend. You want to blend, blend, blend. All right. is I'm going to put a little glow on my nose and down the bridge of my nose, okay? So that's just and you can also put some highlight right there and right there. All right, so this is how I do it. Simple, simple, simple. Okay, what's next? What's next? I'm gonna go ahead and give myself a little blush. All right, so I'm gonna give myself a little eyeshadow. All right, so I am using the new brushes that I showed you. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and use these. Okay, I'm gonna start up here, and then the object to anything in your makeup, from what I have learned, is to blend. Blend, blend, blend. Okay, you want to blend. The gold, like a gold color on my lid. Okay, this is a very light look. Okay, but it's quick and easy, on the go. Okay, then I'm gonna put some smoke in the corner. All right, put some smoke in the corner, and again, blend, blend, blend. Okay, that's the object to that. All right, then next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put like a finishing powder. Okay, finishing powder. All right, and a little bit more glow on my nose. All right, so we're almost done, ladies. Okay, and next I'm going to go ahead and apply my lipstick. Again, this is the red satin stain. Okay. All right, there you have it. All right, so last but certainly not least, we want to go ahead and apply those lashes. You can't forget the lashes. Now, the lashes can be very tricky for some people. They can be very tricky for some people, okay? But if you have a lash that you want to use and you feel like, oh my goodness, it's too long. So what you do is you just simply measure it. And if you need to cut some of it off, you just go ahead and snip it where it needs to be snipped. And it's also good to kind of let the lash dry. All right, I usually count like 30 to 60 seconds and just kind of let it so it's not so wet. So the object is to kind of sit it in the middle and just make sure it's on top of your natural lid. Get it in the middle. Make sure it's on your natural lid. And just kind of press it and adjust. Press and adjust. Press and adjust. Don't that makes a difference? Those lashes make a world of a difference. Okay. All right, so that's pretty much it. Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. This was a simple, quick, get ready with me, basic makeup tutorial. I'm Netta with Explore with the Wagners. I'm so excited to be here to just show you how I do my makeup, all right? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe to this channel. Let us know how you're doing out there in the YouTube world. All right, and until the next time, we are never apart from you. Peace.